The Tozo HT2 headphones have arrived, and this is one of the best budget headphones you can afford right now. I've been using these Tozo HT2 headphones for the past 30 days, so permit me to share with you my honest experience about these incredible headphones. Without wasting much of our time, Babatunde Omotao here. Let's talk about these Tozo HT2 headphones. Let's get down to business. Before we continue, I would like to share with you that the good guys at Tozo sent me these headphones. And this is in no way going to affect my review. In fact, Tozo company will be seeing this review exactly the same time that you are. So, let's continue. As for the price, you can get these Tozo HT2 headphones for $49.99 on tozostore.com. You can also place your order on Amazon.com or AliExpress to get yours right now. Let's talk about the colors. The Tozo HT2 headphones comes in 8 different colors, so you have a rainbow of options to choose from. On Tozo website, you can see color black, blue, khaki, white, pink, purple, red, and dark red. Among all these beautiful colors, I have the white one here. I would say it's color white. It is actually a creamy color, so you are still going to categorize it as white anyways. I would love to have the black color or the red color. When you are placing your order on tozostore.com, please make sure you pick your preferred color to avoid return and storage. To the unboxing of the Tozo HT2 headphones, the first thing you are going to find in the box are the user manual and the quick guide. You can go through that to get yourself familiar with the Tozo HT2 headphones. The next is the small black box that contains a long USB A to C charging cable and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. A storage bag will have made this packaging perfect, but for the price of $50, I can't ask for much. And the last but not the least is the headphone itself. In the connection department of the Tozo HT2 headphones, these guys are featuring Bluetooth version 5.3, which is more stable and guarantees faster connection. Also, they are featuring SBC and AAC as their audio codecs. If you have an iPhone or you are using an Android device, you can connect it seamlessly to them. You won't have any issue whatsoever. Aside from that, this guy also comes with multi-point connection, which means that you can connect 2 devices at the same time to these headphones, like connecting it to your phone and connecting it to your laptop at the same time, and you can use it to pick your call at the same time listen to music. It's going to switch back and forth, so you don't have to put any input, just connect it seamlessly, and that is it. Another point worth mentioning is that when you connect it to your auxiliary cable, the Bluetooth function is going to switch off, and also the multi-point connection is going to be disabled. And note, when you are using the auxiliary cable, please do not charge it. Please don't charge and at the same time use it with auxiliary cable. Before I move over to another department, I have to tell you that this guy also comes with iRex audio. And in case you don't know what iRex audio means, it is an audio format that allows you to pick up subtle details and nuance, something similar to what you are going to get when you are recording in a studio. Even at high volumes, when you are using this guy to listen to music, they won't sound distorted or wacky in any way. You are still going to get those details in whatever you are listening to. With that being said, I won't recommend you start listening to music at high volume with this guy, or because you want to hear the details or how good it is. But what I would say you should do is that just listen to it at a medium volume or low settings. That is good to go, and you're going to enjoy your music with the Tozo HT2 headphones. As for the connection range of the Tozo HT2 headphones, you are going to get 14 meters. Though Tozo claims that you can get up to 10 meters, but during my testing, I was able to get 14 meters in a line of sight, as in an open field. So if you are in a working place or you are in a place where there are walls or blocks between you and the connected device, this guy is going to drop a little bit. So that I think you should also have at the back of your mind. Now, let's take a closer look at the build quality department of the Tozo HT2 headphones. They are made from durable plastic material with metallic headband, customized with numbers for perfect and quick fit anytime. It can swivel or turn to an angle of 90 degrees, and it is also foldable inwards for easy storage of your headphones. For the comfortability side of these headphones, I can say this is one of the most comfortable headphones I've ever used. In fact, some online reviewers even compare this guy to the likes of Sony headphones and Bose headphones. During my testing, I wore this guy for a long period of time, and these guys were very comfortable in my ears. See, you just have to try it yourself to experience what I experienced. The AirPods are silky soft and skin friendly. You won't have any issue whatsoever when you are using this guy for a long period of time. So it is just something that I really love when it comes to comfort-wise. Comfortability, I'm going to give it 9/10. Now, let's talk about the battery life of these Tozo HT2 headphones. The battery capacity of this Tozo HT2 headphone is a monstrous 500 milliamperes. Tozo claims that these headphones can last you for 60 hours with ANC turned off and 40 hours with ANC turned on. Their testing was done with 50% music volume. During my testing, this Tozo HT2 headphone lasted me for 53 hours with the ANC turned off and 32 hours 49 minutes with ANC turned on, listening to mixed audio at 60% volume. This is an incredible battery life. What about gaming? Is it good for gaming? So if you are going to be using these headphones to watch movies on movie streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Showmax, Amazon Prime, and the rest, you won't notice any lag when using it. And when you switch over to casual games like Beach Buggy, Killer Bee, Temple Run, you won't notice any lag also. But when you start using it to play first-person shooting games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and the rest, you are going to notice a little bit of latency. And this is where the gaming mode comes into play. You can activate it by press holding the NC button for 3 seconds, and a voice prompt will confirm your mode. To be honest with you, the game mode is going to reduce the lag a little bit. You can still manage it and use it to win your gameplay. However, if you want a lag-free gaming section, I would suggest you go and get your auxiliary cable and plug it and connect it to your device. That way, you won't notice any lag whatsoever during your gameplay. Let's talk about the controls. This Tozo HT2 headphones comes with button controls that are all located on the right ear cup. The first button with the O imprint is the power button. By the side is an indicator which shows you a steady red when it is charging, and when it is fully charged, it goes off. When there is no connection, it blinks red and white. The white light is steady when it is connected, but not completely visible when you are outdoors. The next button is the volume plus and minus, which are increase and decrease volume respectively, followed by the out port for your auxiliary cable. The next port is the Type-C charging port, which takes 2 hours to fully charge these headphones using a 10 watts adapter. There is also a microphone hole for voice calls and conversation. And last but not the least is the noise cancellation button with the abbreviation NC by the top side. The controls are very intuitive and easy to memorize. The quick guide comes with all the controls that you need, and you can also check the user manual for more. Lest I forget, this Tozo HT2 headphones comes with a companion app, and that is Tozo App. You can download it on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and it's going to connect seamlessly to your headphones. Once you successfully connect it, you are going to see more features such as battery level percentage, noise cancellation setting, and the equalizer presets. At this point, I would like to say that the noise cancellation feature on this Tozo HT2 headphones, okay, but they could have been better. And it also features adaptive hybrid ANC. And in case you don't know what that means, so if you are outside and there is breeze or wind and you turn on the adaptive hybrid ANC, these headphones are going to adjust themselves so that you won't feel much of the breeze, whoosh, and noise. So you'll be able to focus more on listen and enjoy your music. And if you don't get what I've just said, the best is to just order one for yourself and you are going to experience it. This is actually stronger than your regular ANC on your headphones. Moving over to the call quality department of the Tozo HT2 headphones, these are very good for voice calls and WhatsApp calls or any other call that you want to use it for. You can also use them for Zoom meeting because these guys are featuring 3-mic environmental noise cancellation technology to suppress background noises while you are on calls. I've tested it and these guys delivered. Now to the most important part of this headphone, which is the sound quality. These headphones are coming in with 40mm dynamic drivers in them that pumps out punchy bass into your ears. It is also featuring iRex audio, just as I've said earlier. So listening to music from Amazon Music, Apple Music, and Tidal is just going to give you that immersive listening experience. The default sound quality of these Tozo HT2 headphones has a good stomping bass with mids that are very clear, and the treble is just a little bit down. So I really like that setting, but sometimes I feel I want it to be more bassy or more punchy. So I just download the Tozo app, go to the settings, and pick the bass mode. There's just only one con that I don't like about this guy, which I understand I can still manage it. And that con is that this guy won't connect automatically after the first connection. Unlike other headphones and earbuds out there that once you connect it up to your smartphone, subsequent connection, it will just connect on its own once you switch it on. But this guy, you have to go to the Bluetooth and tap on that and it's going to connect, okay? Now, do I recommend these Tozo HT2 headphones? Yes, I recommend it to you if you want something of maximum comfort on your head. These guys will deliver. If you are someone that is always traveling here and there and you need headphones that can deliver, this is the one for you. The battery life is amazing, and for just $50 you can get yours from Amazon.com, or you go to AliExpress, or you order from the website TozoStore.com. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.